What if the key to reversing your insulin resistance and reclaiming your energy isn't in a new pill, but in the very food you eat? Most people battling weight gain, fatigue, or pre-diabetes have been told to just eat less and move more. But what if that advice is making things worse? In this episode, we dive deep with Dr. Andrew Kutnik, a metabolic health researcher and type 1 diabetic, to uncover what actually works when it comes to reversing insulin resistance through food. Reality check: imagine your metabolism like a sink with a slow drain. Sugar keeps pouring in, and insulin is the plumber trying to keep it from overflowing. Eventually, insulin can't keep up, and that's when the damage begins. Dr. Kutnik reminds us that insulin resistance builds over years, not days. And by the time someone is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, their body has already gone through a long, silent struggle. Once you accumulate enough metabolic damage, it's no longer about short-term weight loss. It's about long-term repair. Dr. Andrew Kutnik. The power of low-carb and ketogenic diets. Here's the good news. According to the last 15 years of research, cutting carbohydrates is one of the most reliable strategies to reverse that damage. Dr. Kutnik points to the clinical literature. Reducing carbs below 130 grams per day is powerful, but going fully ketogenic often yields the biggest improvements. Think of a low-carb diet as switching from diesel to gasoline. It takes stress off your metabolic engine and improves performance across the board. The ketogenic diet is a much more reliable way to induce the therapeutic benefits people are looking for when they reduce carbs. Dr. Andrew Kutnik symptoms. First, then science. Here's something few people realize. Most of us don't care about metabolic health until symptoms show up, whether it's fatigue, poor performance, brain fog, or hunger that won't go away. Dr. Kutnik, who lives with type 1 diabetes, emphasizes that 24/7 glycemic control is possible with the right strategy, and that includes real-time food choices. Whether you're living with pre-diabetes, full-blown diabetes, or just trying to lose weight, the solution starts on your plate. 3 key takeaways. 1. Early action equals better outcomes. Every day you wait is a day of accumulating damage. Start now to reap long-term benefits. 2. Carbs matter more than calories. Low-carb, and especially ketogenic diets, are proven to restore insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose variability. 3. Symptoms are signals. Energy dips, cravings, or brain fog. They're not just annoying. They're your body telling you something is metabolically wrong. If this episode gave you a light bulb moment, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, eat smart, stay sharp, and take control of your health.